everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys inserts that we are getting this Sunday. I am passing on inserts for the next couple of weeks. I'm only going to get stuff that I truly need. I do subscribe to a newspaper, so I do have one newspaper that I can use my inserts for. But with everything going on, I'm just pretty much just only using digitals, and I'm not hardly even couponing at all. But these are the inserts that we are getting this week in case some of you guys do need some stuff. And it's hard to say when this thing will all blow over, but some of these coupons are still good until like May. But you know, I'm just passing on coupons for the next couple of weeks just because, but I still want to share with you guys the coupons that we are getting, the inserts. So there's going to be 3 inserts. I do not think there's going to be inserts next week, you guys, because it's Easter. Usually there's no coupons on Easter, but I haven't checked into that yet. But we're getting 3 inserts, 2 retail Coinout and 1 Smart Source. So here we got Benadryl. CoverGirl, I feel like we get CoverGirl all the time. I think we just got CoverGirl and now we're getting CoverGirl again. Enough with the CoverGirl. But we got Cave Dial Body Wash, we're getting $2 off, and then Glade Flings $1, Gain Flings $2, $1, Gray Away $2, Herbal Essence Shampoo $2 off any 2, Homemade Simple Laundry Detergent, we got $2.50. It looks like you gotta buy 2 items maybe. Homemade Mederma, Nexium $5, Old Spice Body Wash is buy one get one free. It's a pretty decent deal. Persil Laundry Detergent $2, Persil Laundry Disc $2. Right Guard is a buy one get one free coupon. Schwarzkopf $4, Soft Scrub $1, Soft Scrub Splenda $2.50, and then Splenda Sweeteners off $4 off any 2. Now I do think there's going to be some Splenda stuff on sale at Walgreens, and it could be a freebie. Not sure, but just saying. Tide Simply, we got 50 cents, and we got $1 off, and then Visine, $1.50 off, Zyrtec. So that is 1 retail Coinout. Now here's retail Coinout number 2. We got Angel Soft, Breathe Right, Equal, $2, $1.50, Eucerin, $1, $2 off, Eucerin, $3 off, Flonase, $10 and $5. Garnier Whole Blends, $4 off any 2, Garnier Fructis, $4 off any 2, and then we got the Skin Active Moisture, $3 off, and then the hair products, $4 off and $2 off, and $2 off Skin Active. Grainberry, Jimmy Dean's Kellogg's cereal, we got $1 off any 2. Krispy Kreme donuts, we don't have any near our area. L'Oreal, $2, 4 off any 2, $3, $3 off mascara, $5 off, $2 off, $2, $5. Maybelline, we're getting 2. So right now it looks like that's a beauty thing. I never get any of these coupons, so I'm jealous, but not a big deal. Nivea Body Lotion, we got $1, $4 off any 2. Prime, Purina Pellegrino, Spray Away, and then Right Bacon. Aquaphor, we got 212. Baby Ruth, 50 cents off of 2. That's a good coupon. Butterfinger, $1. Coppertone, Horizon, Hydrocut, International Jergens, we got $1.50, $1.50. $1 off any 2 Ocean Spray, Revlon, Silk, half and half. And then I don't even know what that is, but that is what the inserts that are coming out. Now this, I forgot to mention, is SundayCouponInserts.com. So please keep in mind that some of your guys' inserts vary if you are getting newspapers. I know for sure what I'm getting and what I don't get, but sometimes they do surprise us on certain things. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys possibly on Sunday. I need to go to Walgreens to get some things, so see you guys later. Bye-bye.